Sargam Builders present Swastik Universal, the business hub. Brilliant in design, exceptional in function. Where finance meets people. Where sales meets targets. Where technology meets growth. Where planning meets optimum for the indomitable and spirited businessman. Sargam Builders present Swastik Universal, the business hub. Magnificent in form, invaluable in function. Sargam Builders is a diversified construction conglomerate headquartered in Surat, Gujarat. Established in year 1980, Sargam Group, with 34 years of successful design and construction experience encompassing buildings large and small, both private and public, has proved its mettle and kept the trust of people intact. With high-quality vendor performance standards, cost control, on-time scheduling, and an eye for detail, our footprints span sectors such as real estate, government projects, infrastructure development, allied services, and civil construction. Surat, the city known as the capital of diamond and textile industry, has grown exponentially from a laid-back Tier 2 city to the fourth fastest growing city in the world. Matching the pace and velocity of Surat, Swastik Universal, a corporate house, is ready to cater ultra-modern offices in small and large sizes for more interaction, wide and varied exposure, and most importantly, minimized travel ergo. Located in the most sought-after locality of Surat, Swastik Universal stands tall, marking its presence on the Gaurav Path, Piplod area, with close proximity to the residential areas like Vesu, Parley Point, City Light, Bhatar Road, Ghoddaud Road, and commercial areas like Nanpura and Athwa Gate. Swastik Universal will redefine the parameters for commercial property valuation and appraisal in Surat. Swastik Universal is a perfect business center for professions like banks, insurance companies, telecom giants, chartered accountants, architects, interior designers, builders and developers, share trading companies, travel companies, textile companies, diamond companies, call centers, and IT companies, etc. The general specifications of the building include video door phone with switch-operated unlocking system for main door, one openable louver for natural ventilation in all offices, fire extinguisher unit, gas, fire, and smoke detectors, centralized packaged air conditioning units in individual offices without ducting, including 100% power backup for individual offices, 100% power backup for entire building premises, huge parking space, fully air-conditioned buildings, 7,500 square feet cafeteria and meeting lounge at the ground floor level, owner's meeting area with coffee shop at terrace in both towers, 4,500 square feet world-class high-tech conference room, 10,000 square feet gym with modern equipments and facilities like shower, sauna and steam, sensor-based intelligent security system with acknowledgement, 24/7 high-resolution video camera with infrared facility for night vision, 6 lifts per tower, separate each for owners, visitors and staff members with smart card for access control along with auto flood detecting device, special security control office with server room for backup of all database, emergency alarms with 100% power backup, flood alarm along with special drain out in the basement, fire exit maps at all levels and offices, GSM and broadband-based power and security management system which will empower the owners to operate power and security cameras from anywhere in the world. where passion meets glory, where design meets function, where function meets style, where success meets you. For the indomitable and spirited businessman, Swastik Universal, the business hub, magnificent in form, brilliant in function,